Hey, this is Dwayne Mooney. Let's look at this U.S. Canada trade. I got in right here, this area, and you see it coming down, making money with it. Already up 3262, 3221, 40 pips. I got in multiple trades. So if we look at it, those are 1, 2, sell, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 trades, sell trades. I'm in. Got in these two around 132, 36, 1.32, 40, 1.32, 49. Okay, and this is the way I scale. When it's not going my way, I'll get in more trades because I know it's going to eventually come down. It's just retracted. And so I just got back in the trade at different prices. Now, so that's working. Now, this is a trade, the Euro US. I got in, let me look at the 4-hour chart. I got in on the holiday, which I shouldn't have did. It was a dumb move. I should have waited. Why is it not coming in the 4-hour chart? I got in. See if the daily will come in. Okay, now. I got in around this area here. This area. Because it looked like it was at a good support. And then the holiday came and it dropped. I got in a buy to go up. Somewhere around. And then I started, as it was down, I started taking more trades. So as it came down, not going my way, I started taking more trades. So you'll see I'm $5 in profit and I'm not in profit in these lower trades. Even though I'm in profit with this one, because I caught this at the bottom, 12 around this area, 1281. I didn't catch anything back here, down here, which I should have. And I would have been way in profit. Now I have to wait. $71. So I'm really in profit now. I'm just, 13, 12, 11, 12, 5. Because I expect it to come up at least to this area. At least here. Well, this may be all it'll do. It may start retracting. But I wanted to get back to at least 1.1220 so I can at least break even on these trades. And then I'll be in total profit. So I'll see, but I got to get out soon. But it looks like it may go up a little bit, at least up to this area here. But that's how I stack. When I'm losing and it's not going my way, I'll stack the trade and get in more trades. And that's what I did. So let's see if I can make some more money with this particular trade on it going up now. And let's see where's the final result. Hopefully it'll end up somewhere in here. But I do have to get out soon. So I'll watch it for the next. I'll see what's going to happen. I don't know if it looks like it is at a resistance in this area. It does look that way, so I may be getting out soon, but I'll watch it closely. At least take me, it's because we're at 1.1316, and this is, I got in at 1.1320, So it's moving up. I'm almost at break even. So let's see what it's going to do. But that's moving. I'm way in profit with this. So I'm winning. And I should have got in another trade down here, but I didn't want to take too many. But I really should have, because that would be way in profit. But I'm making money. So I just wanted to show you that, what I'm looking at. And, you know, that's how we trade on this thing. So I'm going to end this. This is how you learn Forex Success Club. I don't use any indicators. It's just pattern recognition and price action is what I look at. And I do pretty well. Yeah, that's going up. We'll see what's going to happen. So that's it, ladies and gentlemen. Get in contact with me at the Wealth Portal Inc., thewealthportalinc.com. Sign up. Order the videos on trading that I have. Wealth Portal. You can order the videos. What happened? I gotta get rid of this. You can see, you can order here. Access 6 recorded trading tutorials teaching you my system, $199. You can order that. And you also, I have a $29 a month. After you take the training, you look at the tutorials. I have $29.00 monthly where I give picks. So go to the Wealth Portal Inc., buy these videos, or inbox me at Forex. Get in touch with me at Facebook, Dwayne Mooney. You can email me at mooneysuccess@yahoo.com. mooneysuccess@yahoo.com. So you can start making this kind of money on trades. We're in profit. We can close it now. We'll still, be winning. But I would like to see that go to about $300, $400 personally. But I may be getting out soon because we're still down. And this trade, the U.S.-Canada, is doing well. I mean, that's got a lot of traction. I mean, we caught that at the top, so I expect that to come down to at least this area here. Because the trend is up, but this is the support level. So I expect it to go down to at least 1.13, 1.3174, right in this area. That's why I'll take my first profit and get out of some trades and then put a stop loss on there. Okay, so I'm very comfortable with this trade. Not so comfortable with how far the Euro-US is going to go up. I just wanted to break even with these two trades, the 113.20 or 113.12. Let's break even, and I'll get out. And it's hit it before. Obviously, it hit it. Just hit it. Just wanted to hit it again, and I'll get out. I should have put a take profit on this at 1.1312 21 1.1321 or 22, so I can make some profit on there. So we'll see. I may do something. Like what I would do is just change that it said modified take profit at 113.22. Okay, see how it came out. I'm just doing it with this one. I could do it with the other one, you know, and then I'll be at a nice break even, because remember, I got this one. I can change that. I can put them all at 113.22 and do well. So we'll see. But it may go past that, so I don't want to get out of all the trades. I'll get out of a few, because it may go up past that. So we'll see what it's going to do. All right, ladies and gentlemen, this is Dwayne Mooney. Peace and prosperity.